Hi guys, welcome back to this video, and today I'm going to be doing a short little American Girl scene. Here we go. Hi Julie. Oh, hi. Can I have some ice cream? This ice cream cart looks so delicious. Oh, sure, of course. What would you like? Let's see, what do you have? Ooh, that ice cream sundae, that caramel ice cream sundae, and maybe that rainbow snow cone. Okay, coming right up. Here you are. Oh, thank you so much. Here, I'll top it with extra sprinkles. Perfect. Wow, this ice cream truck is so amazing. I get ice cream. Oh, you kind of have to pay. Oh, yeah, of course. Here you go. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Have a good one. I want some ice cream. Hello. Hi, I'm right here. Hi. What can I get you? Oh, what can I get? That pink, purple, and that blue slushie. Oh, okay. Coming right up. Here you go. Okay, well, why'd you just put them on the ground? Technically they're not on the ground. Yeah, they are. Don't you see them? Yeah. Okay. You need to pay. Yeah, okay. Here, $13. 13 for just a slushie and 2 popsicles? Ugh, this place is awful. Fine, take my $13, but I'm never coming back and I'm giving you a horrible review. I can't believe you. We're selling out fast. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Wait, wow. You do the cheer team? Like for the state? Yeah, of course. I just came from cheer practice. I thought I'd stop by. Oh, yeah. You guys are so good. Oh, wow. Thanks. I was getting really thirsty and hungry, so I thought I'd pop by for a little bit of something to eat. Okay. Can I have that green? Oh, wait. Oh, there's so much good ice cream. Do you mind if I come in and look? Oh, sure. No problem. Here. Wow. An ice cream truck? I've never been in an ice cream truck before. This is so cool. Ooh, look at all this good ice cream and pretzels. Okay. Do you mind if I take some for like my cheer group? No, not at all. Okay. What about this ice cream sandwich? This ice cream sandwich. And, ooh, this ice cream sandwich, chocolate cookie one. This snow cone. Ooh, these snow cones, a slushie. Ooh, this ice cream right here. Are you sure you want all that? Oh, yeah. My team loves ice cream. Okay. Yeah, okay. Here. Oh, wow, thanks. That's a lot. That's way more than you need to. Oh, no, my pleasure. Thanks for letting me have all this ice cream. Ugh, can I carry it all? Thanks, bye. I'll stop by again. You guys are the best. Oh, wow. I hope you guys enjoyed that little skit. of Julie and a bunch of other girls from my American Girl collection. And I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you guys later.